Hello there and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy way to find, download and install checkpoint models in Stable Diffusion. There's a vast and growing list of fine-tuned custom checkpoint models built on top of the Stable Diffusion base models that you can freely install and use. Some checkpoints are more popular than others, some take more time to generate images with than others, and different models will produce their own particular results. Having said that, it really is the custom checkpoint models created by the hugely talented community out there that make Stable Diffusion such a powerful image generation tool that just gets better and better. Anyway, onto installation. I'll be installing the checkpoint model in my local install of Automatic1111 running on my Windows 11 PC. So let's crack on. Without doubt, the best place to find Stable Diffusion checkpoint models is Civitai. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. I'll be focusing on installing the checkpoint model from Civitai. I actually spend an unhealthy amount of time on Civitai. Not only is it my go-to place for models, but it has to be one of the best places to browse through the community generated image galleries to get inspiration and find my next model to try out. All that being said, finding the actual checkpoint models to select from and download is a bit of a task, so let's walk through doing just that on Civitai. Open the Civitai website, click on Models in the top menu. This will show you all the different types of models, including checkpoints, embeddings, LoRa's, control nets, upscalers and more. We're only interested in checkpoints, so to only show these, drop down Filters on the right of the top menu. Then from the Model Type section of options, select Checkpoint and then make sure under the Checkpoint Type section you have all selected. Click off the Filters options panel and the results will now only show checkpoint models with your filter selections applied. You can do an additional quick filter on the results if you want by selecting one of the types above the checkpoint list. You can then sort the list of checkpoints by clicking on the Sort By drop-down just to the left of the Filters button. Just select from the options depending on how you want to sort the list. If you're looking for inspiration for a new checkpoint to try out, then using the sorting function is a great way to get specific inspiration. Just scroll through the list, find a look and feel of the type of image you're looking to create, and then select that particular model. Okay, now you know how to find checkpoints on Civitai. Now it's time to pick a model. Dreamshaper is a checkpoint I often use, so let's pick that one. Click on the Dreamshaper card. The checkpoint page is packed with useful information about the model, as well as a useful selection of community images created using the model, so it's always worth taking a quick look. Anyway, towards the top right of the page is a table with the checkpoint's key details. There's a couple of things you should have a quick check off before downloading. Just above the table is the file type of the checkpoint. In this case it's safe tensors format, which is a safer preferred file format as opposed to a checkpoint format, so that's good. Then make sure the model type is in fact a checkpoint, which it is. There are a small number of models that you need to actually sign into Civitai to download, but the vast majority don't need you to create an account and be signed in. Click on the download icon just to the right of the blue Create button above the details table, and then click on the checkpoint file name that pops out. On the Save As window, navigate to your Stable Diffusion Web UI folder, then the Models folder, then the Stable Diffusion folder, and click Save. This is where you save all your checkpoints. I'll put the path in the description for you. A common mistake is to save the checkpoint model files directly in the Models folder and not in the Stable Diffusion subfolder. If you do this, Automatic1111 won't pick it up. Checkpoint files are large, so it will take a bit of time to fully download. If you're finding this video useful, then it would be fantastic if you could show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much. Once the checkpoint file has downloaded into the correct location, that's it effectively installed. There's no additional install process to go through like with software. Let's have a quick check to make sure it's installed and being picked up by Automatic1111 OK. Launch Automatic1111. Drop down the Stable Diffusion checkpoint box at the top of the screen and you should see your new model listed. If you haven't relaunched Automatic1111 since downloading the model, then just click on the refresh icon to the right of the box and then drop down the checkpoint box again and you should see it listed. Now you know how to quickly and easily find, download and install checkpoint models in Stable Diffusion Automatic1111. Now go create amazing images with your new checkpoint model. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.